With the government shutdown, the pause in SNAP benefits, and federal workers furloughed or working unpaid, money is becoming an issue for a lot of people. 41 NBC's Brianna Sheffield spoke with a local bank advisor who shared tips on how to save during the financial strain.
Missing even one paycheck can create a big hardship for somebody, especially when you're trying to manage household expenses, groceries, just everyday expenses that you have.
We're a little over a month into the government shutdown, and many families are still making the hard decision between paying bills, buying groceries, and purchasing medicine. I spoke with several local experts on financial tips on how you and your family can balance it all. Robin's Financial Vice President of Consumer Leading, Shane-Reagan, says never shy away from talking with your lenders, landlords, and service providers to let them know money is low and how to construct a new payment plan.
But the key is to contact your financial institution early. Don't wait till it's too late. We have programs in place to help, and it's a lot better that we go through this together than trying to go it alone, because I think we can figure out some really good processes, some good ideas to help.
He also recommends everyone be honest with yourself when it comes to spending money.
And you got to ask yourself, is this a need? Is this something that we've got to do, or is this something we want? For example, I think a lot of times going out to dinner versus budgeting and doing your grocery shopping, you can probably save a lot more money by doing the grocery shopping and maybe not going out to dinner today, or maybe there's like that cup of coffee you get on the way to work every day. Those might have to make some coffee at home.
While this may be a hard time, Reagan says it's very important to figure out your budget.
I'm also sensitive. I know that there are a lot of people out there that that's easier said than done. And so it may be harder for them to, I know there's, I think of single parents that, they're like, well, I'd love to, sock a bunch of money away, but sometimes you just have to figure out, how do I build that budget? How do I live by that budget and make that work for me?
President and CEO of the Better Business Bureau, Kelvin-Collins, says it's okay to get a loan if you need it, but just be cautious of who you get it from.
Don't believe all the hype. Scammers look for two things when they're looking for someone to separate from their money, and that's greed and need. And during a time of need, you might just believe that you're going to get a super low interest loan.
Collins says do your research before making a big decision. And if you still don't understand, ask for help.
It's not the first time that utility companies or banks have dealt with something like this, and they have plans in place that will help you get back to where you need to be.
In Macon, Brianna Sheffield, 41 NBC News.